like men over 40 these days have spent so much time reflecting on what they need to do around their families and around their careers, and to the extent that they're now neglectful of their health and their fitness. When men come in and need help with weight loss, with pain, with gaining strength, we like to look holistically at what their lifestyle, what kind of space they have for fitness, and try to make a plan for them so that they can make it work for them. They don't have to be running 40 miles a week, but we can find a way to integrate it into their lifestyle so that they can get where they need to go. A holistic approach to fitness and nutrition means that we really take into consideration all parts of that person's life and what their personal goals are. A holistic approach means that rather than just focusing on weight loss or just focusing on performance, we're really thinking about the totality of that person's life and how it fits in for them. So if somebody says that they have a goal of losing weight, we might remind them that while they start with a weight loss goal, that there's more to general health than just their weight loss goal. When men come into Clay Fitness and want to get more fit, we find that it's usually easier to get them moving. The harder piece usually is nutrition. Changing people's way of eating is a lot harder to tackle because it's usually much more ingrained in their culture. It's a harder thing to change. But the value of changing nutrition is sometimes even more influential to changing the way somebody feels and looks than fitness is. So usually we like to start with getting somebody moving, and then if they're willing, we really like to see them start to investigate what foods are making them feel good and what foods aren't really working for their performance and the way they feel.